I'm Wendy. Wendy darling.
I'm Peter. Peter Pan.
I let it fall, my heart. And does it fail? You rose to claim it.
I've sought something extremely important. The heart of the truest believer. You are the lucky owner of that very special heart.
What do you need me to believe in?
Me.
But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true, and the games you play, you would always win, always win.
Peter Pan never fails.
But I'll set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your
You
face.
are mine.
Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name.
You need to believe.
Your name.
Close your eyes and believe. Just give me your heart.
Don't be silly.
But isn't it worth it?
No, I'm sorry.
And leave the island. You're useless.
What do you want?
I wanted your heart.